going on, guys? We have a broadhead. Cute little dude. He does not care.
He doesn't care
at all. What's going on, guys? We are up here at a cemetery doing some herping. And there's actually a cool, you know the story behind these two? Right here?
No.
Tombstones. They're actually a married couple. And they bought these lots when they were married. And then they divorced and then they died because he is laid this way. And then she is laid this way. So they're laid opposite each other because they were divorced when they died, but they bought these things when they were married. So yeah, a little fun fact for you guys to start this video. Alright, so update is that Lucas, well, we're on the tracks and Lucas is going to lift a rock and almost pooed on himself, so he had to go take a poo. I'm going to meet him at Imary's, but I don't know how long he takes to poop, so I'm going to check out the den site here real quick, see if we can get something. Well, Bo, I think Lucas has you beat on taking longer to poop, because good God. I forgot my watch too. Y'all like that tan line? Yeah, but on the bright side, at least it's, you know, bluebird skies, 80 something degrees. At least I get tan. And look who's done pooping. So we found a den, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. This whole spot is just ridiculous. That makes me kind of nervous because it's that ridiculous. But south facing, so we haven't really ever intentionally gone after south facing bluffs, and timbers are known to hang out in south facing bluffs. So at least we're bettering our chances. Not guaranteeing anything, but chances are a lot better. Really sweet spot over there. And we found this rope. And it's looking like we're gonna have to climb down the rope to get to the trail, even though there's already a trail there. Lucas spotted this rope, so I'm gonna laugh if it hits like a crucial point and the rope ends.
Keeps going.
Of course it does. And this is what we're at. No, well, this is the place I got little anchors. Right there, and right there, all the way up. I got them over there too, where people come and do rock climbing.
Substantial risk of injury or death, it says on that sign.
Well, yeah.
In more than one way, because.
So, Jeremy or Sarah, and you guys like rock climbing, so you should come check this out. You probably already have. Who am I kidding?
It's called the crag.
I would love to see some little heads popping out of here. That's crazy. I would love to do rock climbing like that, but that's kind of terrifying. That's what he's talking about. There's Imary's. We were just over there. We went all the way around here, and now we're at these bluffs. Sweet. That just looks awesome. Jesus, grab them. There was a ton of frogs just jumped in here. Right there, right there, right there. Good God. Oh, another frog. Let's see your chance to redeem yourself. You literally can just stick your hand in there and find one. Oh, oh, I see him. Get him. You got him. Don't lose him. You redeemed yourself.
Frog!
Alright, so, no. What did we learn from last time? That's all green frog.
And totally redeem yourself.
Nice. Cute little dude.
This is probably the smallest one that was in here.
Yeah.
Want to see him hop away?
It's the first frog to not jump away in your hands.
Yeah, you can still see him.
Oh, there you can.
This is a flippable.
Does it look like?
Rocks.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to head to Norris now instead of here because this place is just not turning up anything. So hopefully we'll get something there. I don't know. Oh, shit.
Break the lens.